A losing Zanu PF candidate in the December 2023 by-election, Zingai Kamamba, claims that deep-seated factionalism in the party contributed to his loss last year. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before you go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. Kamamba, who lost the Mpopoma Mzilikazi constituency to the Citizens Coalition for Change (CCC) candidate Charles Moyo in the by-elections, has since written to the party leadership expressing his concerns. Kamamba confirmed authorizing the letter yesterday, adding that he had not received a response from the provincial leadership. In his letter, Kamamba expressed concern over the Bora Musango campaign, which led to a poor voter turnout. He alleged that there was chaos at the training when his detractors invited hordes of people to disturb the program. After failing to control the mob, we called the Central Committee member who led the constituency, Esnat Moyo. On arrival, she ordered everyone to go to the meeting venue. He said several members vowed not to participate in the elections or not to vote for Zanu PF as they did in the August 2023 harmonized elections. In today's news, Zanu PF candidate digs into own party. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.